Hello my friends, I will show you in this video how to make your Android device dark mode, also your social media, in my case Instagram dark mode. So continue watching this video right now and I will show you exactly 3 methods how to make your Android device and Instagram dark mode. In this example, my phone is Mi 8 Lite and in this video I'm showing you how to make your Mi 10 device dark mode. So first of all, you can see my phone is light and it's light mode. What you have to do is go to settings, and here on the display you have to see an option dark mode, and that's great. Look at this, my phone now is dark. This option works also for social media, so in my case for Instagram. So you can see now the Instagram is in the dark mode. So this is how you make your Instagram and your Android device dark mode. If you don't see this option on your device, so what I suggest to you is if you are not in Xiaomi but you are in the other device, go to settings and click search dark. Just type dark on the search, I mean in the settings search, and here it is, and it's listed dark mode. Do the same thing on your device, on your Samsung, on your LG or whatever, and you will see the option dark mode. If your option is not pre-built or included on your settings, I have another suggestion. So let's switch back on the light mode. Okay, method 2 how to make dark is go to settings, go to your theme, find more themes, search for dark stock mode, click search, and here it is. Okay, there are too many options, but in my case I will use this stock. It's free one. Click on it, click on the downloading button, it's free, and here it is. Click apply and you see your theme is dark now. Okay guys, so this is method 2. Okay, if you don't like this theme, there is another method. So I will show you the method 3. Method 3 how you make your phone dark. Go to Play Store, search for dark, and here it is dark mode, also dark social. So in the dark mode you can install the dark mode application on the Play Store and you can use it on your mobile. So in this case you can choose where your phone will be dark mode, on the night or during the day. So here it is night mode or day mode. So also here is the auto. So thank you guys for watching. This is how you make your phone dark or light mode.